Want to know how to install Agoda on your Android device? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store application. So once you have opened up your Play Store, here you should be seeing search. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected search, on top you should be seeing search apps and games. Just simply select it. And now just simply hit towards and type in Agoda. So once you have selected Agoda, here you should be seeing the Agoda application right here. So you can just simply select install directly, or just simply open up your application, scroll down a little bit, see reviews and much more. So just simply select install first up, and once you have selected install, here your installation should begin, and after a while you can just simply open up and use the app accordingly. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.